G'day team, Uncle Jojo here, grouse to see you all again. So today what I'm going to have a look at is these absolutely amazing earmuffs. These are the Peltor 26 decibel Tactical 500 earmuffs, and they are absolutely amazing. This is actually the third pair, the third pair I have had. The first pair, this is going back probably 10 years ago, I got them for a Christmas present. Then I had a new pair. They got stolen from me while I was teaching at TAFE one day. So I got a new pair which exploded and died on me while I was teaching up north in a couple of remote Aboriginal communities up there. And when I got back, I was lost. Absolutely lost without them. So I went and bought myself another pair. They are very expensive, $500, but they are well worth every cent of it. You can switch them on really easily just with a button on the side here. You put two AA batteries in the side here, and you can use rechargeable or you can just buy the batteries singly, and then you've got here an on and off switch. When you switch it on and off, they are then Bluetooth, which I can then put over to my phone, and I can be listening to music, and as soon as the phone rings, it cuts it out. I can also turn the volume up and down. I can also press a button here that answers the phone. So if my hands are busy and I'm working away and I'm doing a bit of a bow, 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 who's the best? And they work an absolute treat to be able to work along, dance along, sing along, and make sure that your ears are protected. That means not turning these up too loud, young lads. That is a big no-no. I see a lot of lads and ladettes wearing earmuffs that are electronic, that have music to them. You have to be really, really careful. This is a safety message to everybody out there. You need to be aware of your surrounding when you're on site, especially when there's other people around and things can fall and crack and break and fall on your head and all bits and pieces and all that jazz. So you have to be super duper careful when it comes to that. So I always recommend to keep them on a low volume to make sure that you can still hear things around you, but you can still beat away wherever you want to. That being said, you can also use these when you switch the music off, because they're tactical. You can turn these on and you can sit in a tree chair, and you can actually, it's like bionic hearing. You can hear for so far, and it emphasizes all of the sounds around you. So it's like you're the Bionic Man 2025. They're very, very good that way. If you want to just cut all of the noise out and you just want to use them as earmuffs, that's even easier and better, and they fit super comfortably on the head. So you can just sit there like that. You can't even hear. They're 26 decibel cancelling, and I can't tell you how good they are. I do sometimes feel, if I don't switch them on, I do sometimes feel like I yell at everyone that is around you. That's how good they are. But they're very, very comfortable. Easy to adjust, so I can just adjust these really quite easily and make sure that they fit around my head. They fit snugly around the ear. It cups the ear inside the cup of the earmuff, and I can't even tell you how comfortable that is. I've got heaps of other earmuffs you can see in this corner here, and nothing it compares to these Peltor 500 Tactical, and buying them 3 times has to prove that. They come in a handy little carry bag, which I'm a stickler for keeping my tools in great condition, and the great things about these is that they fold up really easily, and I can actually put them in my sight box like that. and then I can put them in the bag, and they are packed away super easy and protected. I don't want my tools to get wrecked. There are wires on these, and you've got to be careful because otherwise those wires will get pulled out. It's like anything. You can have all the best of everything, but if you don't take care of it, take care of your tools and your tools will take care of you. It's a great old saying. So make sure you take care of your tools will take care of you. And a little trick, Tip Top Tradie trick, for any of you out there, I'll give you a really great little Tip Top Tradie trick. When it's the middle of winter and you've picked up your earmuffs and you know they're gonna be cold, stick them on your head. Don't put them on your ears, just stick them on your head if you're wearing a beanie or a hat. Let them heat up there before you turn them and put them on your ears. And then the earmuffs are actually really warm. It's a great little Tip Top Tradie trick just for you guys and gals out there. Any questions or queries about the Peltor 500 Tactical? Yeah, hoorah! Then get over to me at Uncle Joey Jojo's the best. We all love Uncle Joey Jojo. Beowulf Builders YouTube channel, you know where I'm at. Like always, thanks for watching. Stay unreal, banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.